Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Master Caliber R2C gaming chair. As you know, Master is well known for making computer cases, cooling products, as well as gaming accessories such as keyboard, mice and headsets. Now they moved on to making monitors as well as gaming chairs. So in this video, we'll be taking a quick look at the Master Caliber R2C gaming chair, and we'll do a quick unboxing, and of course we'll show you how to build it up. The frame and base is constructed with high quality solid steel, and the whole chair is made from natural latex foam with cooling fabric technology that's dust repellent, breathable and offers waterproof protection. It comes with an ergonomic cushion and adjustable armrests, as well as offering varying height adjustments. It can recline at an angle of 90 to 180 degrees and support a max weight load of 150 kilos or 330 pounds. Alright, so let's not waste any time, do a quick unboxing and we'll show you how to actually build this chair up. See you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Master Caliber R2C gaming chair. Right, let's have a look inside the box. Here we have the back side of the chair. We'll put that to the side and see what else we have. Okay, here we have the steel base and the ergonomic cushion. Alright, okay, we have here the arms. Yes, the adjustable arms. You've got one on the left and we also have the right one here. Okay, let's put that to the side, and then we have the instruction manual of how to build the chair and some warranty information. Okay, right, here we have the adjustable base controls for adjusting the heights and things like that. And here we have the box of accessories, including the wheels and the shaft that goes under the base, and that connects up to the chair itself. And finally we have the chair itself. This is where your bum sits. It's made with the cooling fabric technology, and it's breathable, dust repellent, and offers the water resistance as well. Alright, so let's start and build this chair and see how we do. So let's give it a try. Alright, here we have the chair all fully constructed. Very nice. I like the high quality materials, very smooth, and it's got this nice grey and black design with purple stitching. And here's the cushion. Nice cushion here as well, ergonomic cushions. And I just added that. You can just wrap that around the top here as well, or put it at the bottom. And the wheels, yeah, very nice. Get a nice good rotation on the wheels as well. And let's test the recline and see how it goes. All right, here we go. Very nice. And yeah, I can move that around, nice swivel. And let me do the recline and see how it goes. And it goes all the way 180 degrees. Here we go, very nice. Okay, and here we go. And the adjustable armrest goes up and down like this. Very nice. All good. So let's give it a shot and have a nice gaming session, shall we? And there you have it. That was a quick look and unboxing of the Master Caliber R2C gaming chair. A gaming chair that's affordable, but most importantly, comfortable. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.